What is going on, everybody? It is Big L here, and today we are bringing you our Week 4 battle of the LDL Z-Move division. And you might be asking yourself, Big L, what happened to Week 4? Week 3, sorry. And unfortunately, myself and Rick, we had a few issues with scheduling, and I think I had to cancel on us one day. He had to cancel on us another day, and then another day he was going to be the other day he was going to be really busy. So he went ahead and offered to give us the forfeit win, which is never ideal. You know, you never want to get a win that way. But you know, unfortunately, like I said, we do get a forfeit win. But on the plus side, that moves us up to 3-0, and we are the last undefeated team left in the league, which is fantastic. We take those. I didn't see us being the last undefeated team left with the team that we have, honestly. But you know, we're making do with what we got. We're off to a good start, and this week we are taking on Coach DJS and his bulky dragons. He's got a really scary team. He's 2-1, and his team is the Calyrex Ice Rider, which is really scary. He's got a needy female, Landorus Incarnate, Tapu Fini, Scrafty, Togedemaru, Dusknoir, Fletchender, Alolan Exeggutor, Excelgor, and Litten. Sorry, I just got out of the shower. Face wash makes my skin really dry, get really thirsty. So he's got a super scary team. Cali Ice is really good against me. Psychic Ice is really spammable against my team. Indeedee Female is really good against me. Oh, sorry. Landorus Incarnate, Sheer Force Lando is an absolute monster. Tapu Fini's tough. His whole team is good. And I rated it one of the best teams in the league after the draft. We know how good we know how good Indeedee Female is. We know how good Alolan Exeggutor can be. We use those on our those were on our YCL team. Honestly, Cali Ice next to Dusknoir terrifies me. Because he can just protect and go for Trick Room, and there's nothing I can really do. But we also have to be really wary of that Fletchender, which I know you think, what, Fletchender? But that thing does have Gale Wings with Tailwind, which is really good, and a Calyrex Ice under Tailwind outspeeds Eternatus. So we need to be really scared of that thing too. There's a lot of things that can go wrong in this game. But we've prepped and we've done all right. I think. So we'll go through the team real quick. We have Volcarona with Choice Specs with Heat Wave, Bug Buzz, Hurricane, and Giga Drain. Choice Specs Heat Wave is very spammable against his team. Look at his team and look at his fire resistances. They're Fletchender and Lit. And of course Tapu Fini, but that's it. Like 2 of his 3 fire resists are NFE mods. So and really frail. So Specs Heat Wave is very spammable against his team. Bug Buzz also very spammable against his team. I think like Dusknoir and Togedemaru are the only mons on his team that resist that. Oh, and I always forget that Fairy resists Bug for whatever reason because reasons. Hurricane really good because we have the rain, and then Giga Drain is there. Just I needed a 4th move, and it hits Tapu Fini super effectively, and I get some health back. All good things. Next up is Lapras. We're bringing Lapras this week with Protect, Sparkling Aria, Freeze Dry, and Ice Shard. Ice Shard is basically here because Landorus doesn't get the protection from Psychic Terrain from priority because it's out of the sky. It's off the ground. So being able to get a nice Ice Shard off, even though we are a negative attack nature, we're still doing a clean 50%, which I will 100% take against a Landorus. Maybe I can just get pick it off late game, or maybe that chips it down so something else can get the kill on it. I don't know. Next up we have Pelipper with Scald, Tailwind, Wide Guard, and Hurricane. We are bringing the Wide Guard this week because Glacial Lance tears through me something fierce. I need a way to try to stop it. That's basically the whole reason Wide Guard is here, is for Glacial Lance. Scald is just nice, and then Tailwind again, like I said. Tailwind, you know, if he does get his Tailwind up, we can get our own Tailwind up. Because other than that, we don't really. His speed doesn't really scare me outside of Tailwind. Yeah, he has Excelgor, which is, you know, crazy fast. But aside from the Excelgor, he doesn't really have much speed on his team. I think his fastest mon other than Excelgor is Lando I. Let me look. Yeah, base 101. But yeah, if we can get our own Tailwind up, if he doesn't try to go for Trick Room, then we're going to be outspeeding him all game, which is really nice. Next up is Cress with Rest, Reflect, Protect, and Moonblast. I could still decide to change Reflect to Helping Hand. This is, I think, being able to give a Helping Hand boost to either Zapdos or Volk, or even Pelipper in the right situation would be very, very helpful. And then Protect and Moonblast. Moonblast is there. It's just Fairy spam is very, very good against his team. Like I said, like Togedemaru and Fletchinder and Litten are his only Fairy resists. So none of those mons are exactly super bulky. We are bringing Galarian Zapdos with Protect, Close Combat, Brave Bird, and U-Turn with the Black Belt. I thought about Expert Belt, but I just thought, you know, anything I'm going to need extra damage off, I'll probably be using a Fighting type move. So the Black Belt made more sense to get a little bit extra, just a little bit extra damage off. And then Eternatus with the Psychic Seed with Protect, Moon Power, Protect, Flamethrower, Sludge Bomb, and Recover. I don't plan on this Pokemon coming. It's basically, after I put the first 5 in, I looked at the rest of my team and thought none of these are that good this week. So when I looked at the Pokemon I was going to put on my bench, I might as well put the scariest mon on my team on my bench. That's kind of how I looked at it. I was like, if I'm going to have a mon that doesn't come, I might as well just make it my scariest mon and make him have to think about it. And then if I do end up coming, Flamethrower hits the Calyrex Ice, Sludge Bomb, you know, is able to hit, you know, the Feeny, is able to hit the Fletchinder, it's very spam-like, and like the only thing Sludge Bomb doesn't hit for neutral, at least, is the Togedemaru and the Landorus. But Flamethrower hits Togedemaru super effectively, and Flamethrower does pretty good damage to Landorus. So, and I'm not trying to leave my Eternatus in. But that's the team. We're going to get with DJS here in a few, and we'll see you guys at the battle. See you in a second. All right, guys, here we are. We have sent our request to DJS, and it looks like here we are. Yeah, this is him. So GLHF to DJS. I'm going to send that to him in chat real quick. All right, GLHF is sent. I'll decide. I've got the rules downloaded. Oh, wait, what? I'll tell him to select the rules. I didn't save after I did. But yeah, apparently I didn't save the rules after I downloaded them. Weird. All right, so I'm nervous for this one. I really wouldn't be surprised a bit if we just got blown back, honestly. So here we are, LDL. I think I'm gonna lead. I think I'm gonna lead Volk next to Cress. Okay, so he brought the Fletchinder. He didn't bring Dusknoir. Huh. No Dusknoir. That's actually really surprising. I thought for sure he'd bring Dusknoir. I need to get Tailwind up. He's gonna lead Fletchinder. I'm gonna lead Pelipper, and I can lead Volcarona, and I can Bug Buzz if he leads. Yeah, I'm gonna leave Volcarona. I'll go Lapras and Crest. I mean Zapdos. Yeah, because I live a. If I can get rid of the Calyrex, Zapdos kind of goes crazy. Yeah, let's do this. Let's try this. I think no Crest could be a mistake. But GLHF, trainer looking cute. Love to see it. Hopefully my capture card doesn't have any issues today. And he leads Callie and Scrafty. Okay, that's good. Pelipper and Volt. He probably has Rock Slide on Scrafty. I'm gonna Wide Guard. Intimidate's fine. I'm gonna Wide Guard and I'm gonna click Bug Buzz. I live. Yeah, I'm gonna Wide Guard. And I'm just gonna click Bug Buzz into the Calyrex. The one thing that worries me about doing that is what if he's weakness policy? Because he could very well be weakness policy. It's only game 1. Information's good. Okay, we go for Wide Guard. He could go for Fake Out. Yeah. Oh, into Pelipper. That's good. Bug Buzz into that. Let's see how bulky you are. And we get the Spadef drop. That doesn't matter. He's got a berry. He's South Berry? Wiki Berry. Hit yourself. Trick Room. He sets his own trick. Okay. Pelipper doesn't have a sash anymore. That's kind of troubling. Okay. Again, Volcarona. I kind of want to get Volcarona out here, honestly. I think he's gonna go for. I think he's gonna double into Volcarona here. I'm going to Scald the Calyrex. The Calyrex is the biggest threat here. And I think I need to get out into maybe Lapras. No. Yeah. Wish I had Helping Hand now. High horsepower into Lapras. That's not good. Rock Slide. I'm surprised he just went for it. He knows I can. I showed Wide Guard. Cool. Pelipper KOs the Cali. That's cool. Good. What's one here? Beanie. Okay. This is fine. I'm gonna just Hurricane the Scrafty. He has to decide what he wants to do with Scrafty. Yeah, I'm gonna Hurricane the Scrafty. I think I'm just gonna protect. I think I want to just protect. I live with. Yeah, I'm gonna. Because he can close combat me. Drain Punch. Okay, cool. He's a pretty fast Feeny too, if I'm slower. He doubled up into Lapras. Okay. Okay. He might be AV Scrafty, since with that damage. He's probably AV. So we've seen Drain Punch, Rock Slide, and Fake Out. I'm gonna Hurricane, and I'm gonna go out into Volt. He's not gonna click a Water. Yeah. Let's do this. If I can get rid of the Scrafty, he's gonna have a hard time dealing with Lapras. That sucks. Oh, Volk lives! Teleport. That was a very ballsy play on my part. I should have done that. Alright, this is the last turn of Trick Room. Okay. I'm gonna switch out into Lapras. And I'm just gonna die here. I'm just gonna Hurricane the... I'm just gonna... Oh, it's Hurricane Scrafty. Just in case he messes up. Oh, he switched out the Scrafty. Interesting. I thought he would have just Drain Punched it. Okay, so Lapras got healed. Miss? Miss? Didn't miss. That's good. Lapras got healed up. That's good. Okay. I think we lose this. I don't see how I beat Indeedee. Yeah, I don't see how I beat Indeedee. Alright, I have to freeze dry the Indeedee. I have to try to take out the Indeedee. I have to hope that I can protect. If I get rid of the Indeedee, I might have a shot. I'm assuming it has expanding forward. Oh, it has fake. It doesn't work in your own terrain anyway. Good. Okay. Yeah. Because I don't think the Feeny can beat Lapras. That's a lot. He's got a berry too. And not terrain extend. Crit? That's game. Yeah, I don't think I can. I mean, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to bring it back. I didn't even see what the Indeedee went for. Yeah, we lose this one. He brought different stuff than I was expecting. That switch. Okay, so it wasn't. Okay. GG game 1. Okay. That's fine. So he's AV Scrafty. He's AV Scrafty. I think what I can do, I can be a little bit more aggressive with my lead this time. I think I'm gonna be a little bit more aggressive with my lead this time. I'm gonna lead Volcarona and Zapdos. Yeah. With Pelipper. And Cress. Excuse me. I want to do that. Let's do that. I never felt like this whole match. Whenever I was prepping for this matchup, I never felt comfortable. Never felt comfortable prepping for this match. It was one of those games. All right, let's see. Lando Fletcher. Okay. So this is the other lead that I was. Okay, so he's definitely got he's gonna tailwind here. Tailwind Rock Slide is probably the play. So I can press. Yeah, there's the tailwind. Rock Slide. We should live this though. So now he doesn't have Flame Body anymore. He doesn't have Gale Wings anymore. I can go Pelipper. All right, I'm gonna reflect, and I'm going to. Tail. Teeny. Okay. Okay, so now we have tailwind advantage. I'm gonna protect. And I'm gonna scald the Fletchender. Okay, so Fletchender's gone. Okay, no accuracy drop. That's nice. Scrafty. Okay. I'm gonna Moonblast. And I'm going to Hurricane. I'm pretty sure he's AV. He's not gonna be able to fake out. That's fine. That is 1000%. Moonblast. I'm assuming this is a developer. That's gonna do a good chunk. Alright, I must be just desperately underestimating how strong Captain is. Like, I want to double in its. Miss. Hey, we got a miss. Punch. Okay. I'm gonna rest this turn. Oh, I think my Tailwind's gone. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna protect. I'm locked into Giga Drain. I'd like to be able to switch out Volk at some point. Rock Slide. Miss. Miss. I think we took one of those earlier, though. That's fine. Okay. I need to rest. Oh, I'm gonna Moonblast. Honestly, I'm gonna Moonblast the Scrappy, and I'm gonna switch out. Into Zapdos. Because Cress is faster than Scrap. Yeah. My best chance, I need to be able to spam Heat. It's fast. I should double. Okay, go Volcarona. Yeah, Lando's faster than both of my mom. Alright, let's go for Heat Wave. And I can protect. No, I'm fast. I need to be able to. I'm not faster than Lando. I'm gonna close combat though. I'm gonna Brave Bird. Miss. That's game. Okay, GG. Okay. GG. That was a like I said, I never felt comfortable for that one. That was a rough one. We haven't got blown back like that in a long time. So GG to DJS. Can't win them all. So that'll do it for us. Thank you guys very much for watching. Sorry it wasn't more entertaining. Sorry I wasn't closer. But thank you guys very much. Thanks to T4U for watching. And we'll catch you guys next. We'll try to do better next time. Have a good one.